Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the number format on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then go to general and scroll down and tap onto language and region. As you can see this option called language and region, you just have to simply tap onto it and then change the number format. You have to tap on number format here, just click onto it and choose the format you prefer. As you can see, there's many options available, and just tap onto the one you prefer and go back and add the new format will be applied automatically. So that's it. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time in another video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS. So goodbye.